Welcome to another BPS Tech Tip video. In this episode, we will debunk the myth that Microsoft Office is no longer available to BPS teachers. With the L4L update, we switched from a pre-installed version of Microsoft Office to a new model where all BPS teachers have access to an Office 365 account, with the option to download and install Office 2016 on their new laptops. What is Office 365 and how do we work with Office documents on our new L4Ls? Let's review the 4 options you have for creating, editing, and managing documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. The first option is Google's G Suite, which includes Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. G Suite is in the cloud and works with Google Drive, which means that the applications and all files are stored securely online and can be accessed from any device in any location with an internet connection. G Suite is also available offline by enabling a Chrome extension, but changes will not sync until the user has reconnected to the internet. For a deeper dive into the G Suite tools, check out the G Suite Training Center or our own G Suite for BPS Google site at bit.ly/gafudl. The second option is Microsoft Office 365. This is the online version of Microsoft Office Suite. Like G Suite, it is in the cloud and works with its own OneDrive file storage system. Applications in Office 365, which include Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, do not have the full functionality of the desktop version of Office, but should be sufficient for creating simple documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. This brings us to the third option, Office 2016. This is the Microsoft Office that you have all been used to that resides on your computer and can work without the internet. This is the most full-featured option and is recommended if you are creating or editing documents or presentations with advanced formatting or complex spreadsheets. Once again, although your L4L does not come with Office 2016 installed, you can download and install it on your computer. We'll talk more about this later. The fourth option is Apple's suite of productivity tools, iWork. It consists of 3 programs: Pages for word processing, Numbers for spreadsheets, and Keynote for presentations. These apps are already installed on your L4L, but there is limited compatibility between these Mac native applications and Google or Microsoft applications. If you are going to use iWork applications, you should avoid mixing it with other applications. So what do you do when you have a Word document that you want to open? If you double-click on it on your L4L, the default setting is to open in Pages, and it most likely will not convert correctly. That leaves you with 3 options. First option is to upload your Word document to your Google Drive. It will either convert automatically to Google Docs format, or you can choose Open with Google Docs to convert. Google Docs will automatically create a copy of your document before converting, so your original Word document is safe in case you want to go back to Word. Some advanced formatting or fonts may be lost, but most of the document should convert accurately. One advantage to this method is that your document is now in Google Drive, safe and accessible from any device, and easily shareable with colleagues and students through other G Suite apps such as Gmail or Google Classroom. Second option is to upload it to OneDrive and open it in Office 365. Again, some formatting or fonts may be lost, but most of the document should convert accurately. OneDrive is Microsoft's online file management tool, and it does not interact with Google Drive or G Suite apps. The third option is to open the document in Microsoft Word 2016. This option is available only after you download and install Office 2016 on your computer. Office 2016 is recommended if you have documents that do not convert adequately in the 2 online options. These 3 options are the same for Excel and Sheets, as well as PowerPoint and Slides. If you decide that you want to install Microsoft Office on your computer, simply go to office365.com, log in with your complete BPS email address and your password. You can also go there by clicking on the Word, Excel, or PowerPoint shortcuts on your L4L doc and signing in with your BPS email and password. Once you are logged in, click on the App Launcher icon on the top left-hand corner, then select Office 365. From that window, click on the Install Office Apps on the right-hand side and download Office 2016. You can install it once the download is complete, which may take a few minutes. Once you install Office 2016, you will first access the program from your Applications folder. You will be asked to enter your email and password the first time you use the application. Use your complete BPS email and password to activate the software. If you want the icons to appear on your dock so that it is readily accessible, just drag the program from your Applications folder onto your dock to create a shortcut. You can also remove the shortcuts to the online versions at this time by right-clicking on the icons, select Options, and Remove from Dock. Now that you have Office installed on your computer, you will be able to open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files by double-clicking the file on your computer. If you need more information about your options, please see our FAQ document at bit.ly/Office 365 FAQs.